महिला काँग्रेस जल्माक आयल्यार 36 वर्सां पुराय जातात. गोंय प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेसीन आयतारा दीस 36वो महिला काँग्रेस स्थापन दीस काँग्रेस भवनान मनयलो. सुरवेक काँग्रेस हाऊस आशिल्ल्या इमारतीचेर महिला काँग्रेसीचो झेंडा फडकयलो. उपरांत काँग्रेस हाऊसान महिला काँग्रेसीच्या स्थापना दिसा निमतान केक कापून जल्मदीस मनयलो. महिला काँग्रेस सेलाची 1952 सुरवात जाल्ली, मात खऱ्या अर्थान 1983 बेंगलोराक जाल्ल्या काँग्रेसीच्या कन्व्हेन्शनान महिला काँग्रेसीक हक्क दिवपा संदर्भात निर्णय घेतलो, अशी माहिती गोंय प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेसीची उपाध्यक्षा बिना नायकान दिल्या.
But in 1983, Indira ji forwarded this, that is the Women's Cell, as a frontal organization and named it All India Mahila Congress. A resolution was unanimously passed in the AICC conveners meeting of Mahilas, and accordingly this was taken into as an organization instead of cell and wing. Initially, it used to look after the social problems of women and children and other social problems. But now it has taken a political color and it has come into the political fold of Congress, and it was called as Frontal Organization of Congress. June 1984, first member drive of Congress was launched. On 15th and 16th September 1984 at Bengaluru session, a constitution was adopted and AIMC started functioning as a frontal organization. Now if you look at the structure of this Mahila Congress, it's a 5-tier organization. National Council, which is called as AIMC, that is All India Mahila Congress. Pradesh Mahila Congress, that is PMC. District Mahila Congress, that is DMC. Block Ward Mahila Congress and Booth Mahila Congress. Now, if you go to look at the vision that we have, we always look at the safety of women. We try to see that the dignity of the women is being maintained in the society and in the political arena also. And also, we look at the equality. There is no gender bias as such.